Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be having a look at some jumps and trying some new lines. You might recognise this place. I saw these so I decided to hit them. But before I go up I have to go down. I'm going to have a go at the steeper lip now. I nearly crashed at the end. Now let's hit the jumps from another direction. Here my bike decided not to go into the air, but I did. Let's see it again, but in slow-mo. From this angle you can really see my bike lift off. Now let's see it again in slow-mo. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.